Yo, what's up? This is Masada. I'm just listening to some samples. I'm on RipX again today, Deep Remix, and I'm looking for some drums. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these drums out of this record here, or whatever. So we're going to play it. I'm going to show you what I do. So basically, I play the record. We have these drums here, right, behind this record, and I like the way these drums sound, but have all of this stuff all over it. So I'm gonna stop this. I'm going to go over here where it says kick drum, drums, and percussion. I'm just going to solo those. I can also mute all the individual instruments, right? Start this back from the beginning, and now I have these drums. Now I'm gonna have to do some surgery to make them sound the way I want them to make them sound. But in previous times, I wouldn't even have access to these drums at all. You had to pray and hope that they gave you a break or something. But nowadays, man, we live in a time where you don't have to do that anymore. We live in truly amazing times. AI and all these incredible algorithms. And please, for you guys out there, I gotta say this. For you guys out there talking about, the sound quality, I'm like, I don't know about you, but I started out in a time where I would literally find records on the street sometimes and take those home and sample them. Or we go to the red, white, and blue or the rescue mission, some kind of cheap bargain store, and get records. And these things were horrible. Some of the greatest records, hip hop records of all time, they were dirty. That's the reason why we have all these retro plugins nowadays to kind of simulate those sounds we had in the 80s and 90s. Man, like the old records, by the Juice Crew were made on a 4 track. So sound quality, I think you guys get a little too hung up on sound quality. It's about you and your talent. That's what it's about. You know what I mean? All right, look, love and respect. I'm out. Peace. Oh, pick up Cycle Kit 6, please.